Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Money Eyes channel, where I take you guys along with me on my planning processes. Today, I am showing you guys how I set up my daily planning. Um, Gone ahead and use some of the stickers that I made myself inside of Procreate, along with a few others that I purchased from Etsy. Um, Today was a good day for me. New to the digital planning as far as recording myself, so I'm still learning, so bear with me. Um, yeah, so I kind of try to like generalize everything and time block a lot of the time because it kind of gives me a little guidelines to how I would like my ideal day to go for that day. I don't necessarily follow the same routine every day. Having a small baby and a household to manage, things kind of, if you know, kind of go a little off schedule. I like to try to give myself kind of a general idea of how I would like things to go, though. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna just put a little bit of stickers on here and let you guys watch as I build this template, and I will be back with you guys in a second. When I start to design my spreads, I like to use a lot of texture. um, I think it makes the paper look, the pages, the screen look more realistic, and give you the feeling, more of a feeling of actually writing on paper. So I did grab a lot of different paper texture overlay images just to provide depth inside of the designs. Um, it's kind of interesting when you think about it that you can do all of these things with an iPad. Like, even when I'm playing around inside of Procreate or Canva or any of the design software that they have out here, because they have a lot of them, playing with textures, and like in Procreate there's all these different brushes, and it'll, which depending on what brush you use, which what image you're trying to use, and image inside of words, they all give you a different feeling. So you really just have to keep practicing. From what I see, like, there's not really like a one for sure way to design things, I guess, if you want to, however you want to say it. But you just gotta like use your imagination, like see what in your mind what you want to see to make the designs your own. So I just get on Pinterest or Google or Pexels or Adobe Stock or whatever um, search engine I try to use, and I just kind of just flow through and click and just let the algorithm take me wherever I go while I'm in design mode. I kind of get carried away sometimes. I'll look down. I'm like, oh God, I've been on here for like 2 hours doing this. But it's like, it's satisfying to me, as I mentioned before. It's kind of a satisfying feeling to me, calms my mind, and lets me be fully in my creative. So yeah, I think that's why I really enjoy it, because it allows me to express me in any given moment. I just kind of go with however I'm feeling in that moment, and if I don't go in with any type of for sure plan, I usually end up with a vibe in a certain situation that I'm doing. So I enjoy doing this. I mean, like this sticker right here, "Tis the Season." I made that a certain way inside of Procreate, and I lined it up. But once you create it and you export it, and now it's in a PNG form or sticker inside of whatever note taking app you use, I just chopped it down like three different words, and rearranged the words how I wanted them to look on the screen. So I just like it. It's like a lot. It's a very creative outlet. You know. Another interesting thing to me is typography, like all of the different typefaces, because I'm learning that they're actually typefaces and not fonts, but the typefaces and how they have different variations inside of them, like bold, italic, dark, um, thin, ultra thin, any typeface you pick, size, depth, um, you can create any type of feeling, vibe, message that you want by just text. Um, it's pretty interesting how editorial is, and it makes you think about like newspapers and the magazines, and like that's a big industry. So, I mean, it has a lot of energy behind it. Now, right here, I was trying to make that design work, but it kind of just jumped to a full half of the page differently. I just wasn't feeling it the other way. This way makes more sense to me. It felt better, so I went with it. Now, here, I'm just gonna fill in the tasks that I have planned for the day. Um, then I'm gonna add in my meals that I have today up to this point, and my baby. I like to try to keep a record of what she eats, just for my own records. Um, those little red tags that are made, I made those inside of an app called Typorama. I think it's like $5 to buy it, but it lets you easily make different preset templates. There's like many different templates you can use to make words, and they'll give you a transparent background. So if anybody wanted to check that out, I'll put that in the description as well. All right, so I finally just decided to just put a red rectangle down here. I'm gonna add a border to this as well. Leaving this space for my journaling for the end of the day. I want to see that in the last video, I said I wanted to do daily journaling, even if it's only one sentence, just gratitude for something at the end of the day or at the beginning of the day. I just want to try to start making that a habit to refer back and reference and review. That's the word, review my days in a nutshell. So that's what this space is for down here. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to everybody who made it to the end of the video. I appreciate you stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be posting daily, so just keep an eye open for any new posts. And at the end, I will show the final spread because I noticed that I didn't put the right day while I was editing, but I fixed it at the end. So catch you guys next time.